Ano naman ang mali dito? A, B, C, or D, or wala bang mali? The students were instructed to write down exactly what they hear during the broadcast. 5 seconds, anong sagot nyo? Ang tamang sagot, letter C. They hear. Bakit? Tama naman yung subject-verb agreement They, plural, kaya dapat hear lang. This is not about subject-verb agreement. This is about verb tense consistency. Kung makikita nyo kasi, inconsistent yung verb tense natin sa sentence na to. Kasi meron dito, were instructed. So, it's in the past. Now, yung here dito ay dapat nasa past tense din para maging consistent yung verb tense. May konteksto na tayo na past ito since in-instruct nga sila na makinig ng broadcast at isulat kung ano yung narinig nila. Dapat, this one is heard. So the sentence should read, the students were instructed to write down exactly what they heard during the broadcast.